mean, well, whatever his plans, I don't think you can beat 75-year-old Joan Coates, who likes to test roller coasters.
Yes, the great-grandma from Barnsley has been making history today, riding the region's latest Looping the Loop attraction. Our white-knuckle man, Tom Ingold's been trying to keep his lunch down.
So far, the only passengers going over the top of this 150-foot Millennium Monster have been sandbags. It's time to call in a really high-flying test pilot. But this is no job for NASA. Meet great-grandma Joan Coates from Barnsley.
Well, I get excited just looking at them. And when I get on it just really starts the adrenaline flowing and the exhilaration. I get a real buzz out of it.
Do you find your pulse racing as you start off down the first slope?
Yes, that's when it really starts.
Cometh the hour, cometh the pensioner.
Well, it all started when my mother and dad used to take us to Blackpool every year for a week, and I spent all my spending money on roller coasters.
And if you don't mind me asking, when was that? What was the date then?
Oh, I'd be about 13. Well, I'm 75 now, so rank for yourself.
Her hobby has taken her from South Yorkshire around the world in search of the ultimate high-speed thrill machine. Now it's taken her to Ingoldmells, where Fantasy Island have invited her to christen their Millennium Coaster. The £15 million ride loops 3 times and travels at 95 kilometres an hour. Mind you, Joan once rode a coaster which looped 8 times in one go. So how did she get on then?
Oh, it was wonderful. It was great going around, very smooth.
What do you think makes it so special? Is it just the combination of loops or...?
Yes, I don't know, you can't explain it really. You've got to try it for yourself.
And you're going to carry on for many years now?
Till I'm 85.
We all was pleased to see also our grandmam running in the train with 75 years, and she loves it still.
As the day wore on, I knew I'd have to follow Joan's advice and try it for myself, just to save face more than anything else. But I'm not sure roller coasters are really my thing, and to be quite honest, Joan, I just hope that when I get to 75, I'm still alive. Tom Ingold, look north, somewhere upside down over Ingoldmells.
Amazing. At least you did it anyway. Well done.
He's
well done,
round the
Tom.
bend.
Nice one. It certainly is.